Hey, it's college. I'm Hayden.
I'm Richard.
And welcome to Azad.
Come on in. So welcome to the common room. Everything here is not ours, so don't worry about furniture or anything. Here we got this big window and it lights up the whole room all the time. We usually don't worry about lighting unless it's cloudy like today. This chair and these lamps are not from us. I would recommend bringing some small plant or something to liven up the mood.
And then over here we have the couch and center table, side table. Since we're in a 13-person, the couch is slightly bigger than some of the other suites. Around the corner, kind of on the other side, we have a table, which is mainly used for studying. And then over here, kind of towards the front door again, it's where we park the scooters and then the bike racks on the wall.
Over here, we got the mirror, and I guess you could hang coats here. We usually don't really use it. I drew this just for fun. And over here, we got the room.
And welcome to our room. This first side is my side. So it's a twin XL bed. I have mine lofted all the way. And then I have a 4-inch mattress topper. And then just some things about it. I have my dog from home up top, just a pillow of him, something to remind me of home. I have some prints that I took of different beaches in San Diego here. Coming down from the bed, I ended up bringing a rug. I wanted something a little more homey. With the bed being so lofted on the rug, it does give plenty of room down below. I have plenty of room to sit if I really wanted to. Allowed me to bring storage. I have plenty of room, keep my Celsius in there, especially for finals right now. Also, coming up, have a kind of nightstand that I brought IKEA again too, and then ended up bringing my own mirror, IKEA as well. There's a trend here. Then we ended up getting a TV partway through the year. Over here is my desk. I've got a desk mat, just make it a little more comfortable. Some prints, my vision board for the start of this year, and then more prints, my sticker board, trash can, laundry, and kind of where I keep my towel. And over here next to my desk, kind of have our fridge and microwave set up. So I kind of went for one of the larger options for the fridge, just so we're able to share it and have plenty of space, which it does work out. I did bring like a water filter, plenty of room for the Celsius that we have stored, yerba mates, things like that, lunch meat, snacks and stuff.
So over here we got the microwave. I actually got the microwave and Hayden got the fridge. So I would recommend splitting what you need for your room because it is, costly and we're already spending a lot of money. Okay, so this is my desk. If you're lucky, maybe you have your desk next to the window. My desk is more basic compared to his. I just have my pens, and my alarm that I don't really use, and my lamp. So I would just recommend bringing the basics. You don't have to bring all that. So this is not included with your room. We got little trinkets, we got the flowers, we got the couch potato that lights up actually. We got Lego flowers, we love building Legos. And over here, we got my bed. See, that's pretty much what I do to get up here, but I would recommend getting something to get up here because it is kind of tricky. I just kind of got used to it and I didn't want to buy one. So here we got plushies. I recommend bringing a bunch of plushies to make it feel homey. And then up there with the wardrobe, we kind of use it for extra space. And I use it just for cables to charge my phone. I got perfumes, I got mugs. I have a lot more stuff on the wall. And this I did not come with. It kind of just all built up overall throughout the quarters. And I would recommend don't bring that much decoration. You really just, it's better to buy stuff gradually here to make it your homey self.
And this is one side of the bathrooms for the 13-person res hall. So over here we have 3 sinks and then 2 showers and a toilet. The other side is going to be the same, 3 sinks, but it's going to be 2 toilets and 1 shower. And then here's what one of them looks like. It's a good size, towel racks and stuff. In here, there's room to keep toiletries in the shower while you're in there. Kind of for reference, I'm about 5'7", so there's room in here. And then over here, back at the sinks, There is included spaces for all the toiletries. So there is a box for every person, and there is 16 total. And then in here, so our side of the suite has one toilet, decent size, included toilet paper, a trash can that's disposed of for you.
You'll never run out.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
they're here every day replacing it, so it's never a big issue. Like liners for the toilet, those are included as well, replaced on a regular basis.
So the plunger and the brush we brought ourselves, so that's just for, you know, if there's any accidents or if you need to clog, if you clog the toilet, you could just solve it on your own without calling maintenance for that.
All right, and let's head over to Brandon's room.
What's up, man? So welcome to our double. We are the corner room, and as you can see, there's a lot of space. You know, this is my desk over here. I brought a mini fridge and my own microwave. I think it's really helpful to bring something like this because, you know, sometimes when you're like hungry at night or like you have some frozen foods that you might want to like store. There's like great space here. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this room is very spacious. So like, if you guys have stuff like this that you can like you want to bring, like you guys definitely can. Closet right here, and this is my bed right here, and then the window, as you can see, if you look out, we got an ocean view, beautiful La Jolla, you know what I mean. This is my roommate's side. You know, he has a bed right here, and then, you know, his desk, and there's like a lot of space, like even under the bed, you know. Shoe game, must have, you know what I mean?
Okay, and let's see what Jackson's up to.
He's probably sleeping.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
All right, what's up, guys? So this is our space. Unfortunately, my roommate couldn't make it. I want to start off with things that came with the room. This dresser came with it, the bed, couple storage little bins down there for the clothes, and then the desk. And the dresser does have nice space. Could fit coats, shirts, all this stuff. I added this to hang umbrella and bags. And one thing I'd recommend you guys to have is something like this. Down here I have some towels, some more bed sheets and stuff. In there I keep some food. Obviously you can see the waters down there. And although this suite doesn't have a kitchen, right down the hall, just like a minute away, is the communal kitchen. That's really nice if I want to go wash some dishes, make some food, stuff like that. I got all those materials down there that I need. Yeah, so for the bed, it is a twin XL, which for me, I thought at first, when you first get here, it's gonna look a little small, but after you decorate it with your bedding and your blankets and pillows and stuff, it's honestly the perfect size, I would say. I did bring my monitor from home, and it makes it really nice to have a nice screen. And then one thing, if you can get a printer, I would say a printer is very good to have because you don't have to go to the library and print it. If you have it here, you can connect to the internet just fine and print whatever you need. Courtesy of my roommate, we came together and organized. I got the microwave, he got the fridge, and this is really nice because we don't have to go to the communal areas and use the fridge and stuff. So we have that there. And then just to kind of show you what my roommate's rocking with, although he's not here, just laundry, a little laundry bin. He's got his own dresser too, each side comes with that. Little mirror here, and he's got his TV so he can relax and watch some movies and play games and stuff. So yeah, overall we wanted to keep it really simple, not that cluttered, but this is what we're rocking with, and it's worked so far. Another cool feature about this room that I would say is pretty unique to a space like this is the dimmable lights. And this makes it really nice because at night, the thing about living in a space with two people is that somebody's gonna wanna go to bed at like 11. You may wanna go to bed at like 2 in the morning. So obviously you need some light to study. So it's really nice because you could have it as bright as you want or as low as you want. And during night, it's like, the lowest dim is perfect for studying while being able to sleep. So this is one of my favorite features of this space.
Thank you for joining us, 8th College, and we'll see you around. Bye.